Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore how you can leverage the power of LinkedIn to promote your products and boost your sales. LinkedIn, with its professional network and vast user base, is an excellent platform to connect with potential customers and create valuable business opportunities. So, let's dive in and discover how you can make the most of LinkedIn for product promotion. Before we start, if I could ask you to hit the like button and subscribe, that will help the channel a lot. Part 1. Optimizing your LinkedIn profile. Before we delve into promoting your products, let's start by optimizing your LinkedIn profile. A well-optimized profile increases your credibility and helps you attract the right audience. Here are a few key steps to follow. Professional headline. Craft a compelling headline that highlights your expertise and the benefits your products offer. Engaging summary. Write a concise and engaging summary that showcases your products and their unique selling points. Showcase your products. Utilize the featured section to showcase your products visually. Add images, videos, or documents that provide more information about your offerings. Part 2. Building a relevant network. Now that your profile is optimized, it's time to build a relevant network on LinkedIn. Connecting with the right people increases your chances of reaching potential customers. Here's how to do it. Identify your target audience. Define your target audience based on demographics, industry, job titles, and interests. This helps you focus your efforts on connecting with the right people. Join relevant groups. Find and join LinkedIn groups related to your industry or target audience. Engage in discussions and establish yourself as a knowledgeable professional. Personalized connection requests. When sending connection requests, personalize each message. Mention common interests or mutual connections to increase the likelihood of acceptance. Part 3. Content strategy for product promotion. Now that you have a strong network, it's time to create and share compelling content that promotes your products. Let's explore some effective content strategies. Valuable and informative posts. Create posts that provide value to your target audience. Share insights, tips, and industry news related to your products. Visual content. Utilize images, infographics, and videos to make your content more engaging and shareable. Case studies and testimonials. Highlight success stories, case studies, and customer testimonials to build trust and credibility for your products. Part 4. Leveraging LinkedIn advertising. To maximize your reach and accelerate product promotion, LinkedIn offers advertising options tailored to your business goals. Here's how you can leverage LinkedIn advertising. Sponsored content. Promote your posts or articles to reach a broader audience. Target specific demographics or professionals based on their job titles and interests. In-mail campaigns. Use LinkedIn's in-mail feature to send personalized messages directly to your target audience, introducing your products and offering exclusive deals. Display and text ads. Consider using display or text ads on LinkedIn to increase brand visibility and drive traffic to your product pages. My conclusion, and there you have it. By optimizing your profile, building a relevant network, crafting compelling content, and leveraging LinkedIn's advertising options, you can effectively promote your products and boost your sales. LinkedIn offers a unique platform to connect with professionals and create valuable business opportunities. Remember, consistency and providing value to your audience are key. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.